Is using biometric data in the workplace legal? Imagine walking into your workplace and seeing a fingerprint scanner or a facial recognition camera. You might wonder, is this legal? Well, the use of biometric data in the workplace is allowed in many cases, but there are rules to follow. Biometric data includes unique physical or behavioral features like fingerprints, facial scans, voice patterns, or iris images. Employers use this data for timekeeping, security, or access control. But they must protect your privacy and follow state and federal laws. In the United States, there is no single law that covers all workplace biometric data use. Instead, each state has its own rules, most states requiring employers to give clear notice before collecting biometric data. This notice should explain what data they want, why they want it, how they will use it, and how long they will keep it. Employers also need your written consent before gathering your biometric information. You can usually withdraw this consent later if you change your mind. Some states have stricter laws. For example, Illinois has a biometric privacy law that allows employees to sue their employer if their biometric data is mishandled, even if no harm occurs. Other states like Colorado and Texas requiring employers to have written policies about how they store, keep, and delete biometric data. Employers must also take reasonable steps to prevent unauthorized access or sharing of this data. Employers are generally not allowed to use biometric data to discriminate against employees. They cannot sell or share your biometric information without your permission. In some states, employers cannot requiring biometric data unless it is necessary for security, timekeeping, or safety reasons. Federal laws like the Americans with Disabilities Act and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act may also apply. These laws requiring employers to keep medical or disability-related biometric data confidential and separate from other employee records. To stay compliant, employers should have a written policy that explains how they collect, store, and delete biometric data. Employees should be informed of their rights and encouraged to ask questions or voice concerns. Training staff on privacy practices and reviewing policies regularly is also a good idea. In the end, using biometric data in the workplace is legal if employers follow the applicable laws and respect employee privacy rights. Not doing so can lead to lawsuits, fines, and damage to the company's reputation. So, it's important for both employers and employees to understand these rules and protect personal information.